Hello and welcome to Planet. Today we are going to make a weekly planner for kids. So this is very simple and very easy. You can just make it in your kids planner book, or you can also make it on a paper and you can attach it to your wall so that it keeps you organized. So here I'm just doing it in a book. The purpose of making this planner is it keeps track of all your study things or any commitments or like homework, texts, any extracurricular activities, something like that. And it also helps you manage time, and it also helps you be more mindful and helps your child achieve goals. So I have divided the section into 8 sections on one side and 2 big sections on the right side. So this 8 sections is for all the days of the week, and the other 2 on the right hand side is the topics which you need to study. I mean your kid needs to study. So here you write down all the topics that you need to study in a week, and also the activities that you want your kids to do. So you can separate this study and also the extracurricular activities, so that ways you would be more mindful and also balancing with the studies and also the activities. So doodling or coloring or drawing or making it more beautiful is optional, so I just kept it simple. I just wanted to convey the message of how you can plan in a very simple way. If you are a beginner, you can just start with these kind of weekly planners, either for you or for your kids or anyone for that matter. So if you are okay with planning, you can go for a books. So first I prefer any beginners to start with a paper, make it and then attach it to the wall, make a plan, and if you are good and if you are following all the plan, then you can go for a book. So that way it would be helpful. This is a basic weekly planner which you can use it from toddlers to any kids or students. So this would be a very simple and very easy to follow. So first I'm writing down the topics to study, so that my kids need to learn in the coming week. So once I plan out the topics from all the subjects, and also I list out some activities for the kids for the week. So daily they do some games or some drawing, or they learn some music or puzzle games, anything that keeps them active or any activity which they are very much interested. So once you write down the goals or the topics that you need to study, then you divide them into each and every week according to your convenience or according to your kids' needs. So once you set down the topics to study, it's very easy to allot them on a particular day. Once you allot them, so you can fix to that plan, and on that day you can go and take that particular subject, and you can just make sure that you or your kids study. This planner helps to be more mindful, and it will help free up space in our kids' brains so they can focus on other important things like creativity or critical thinking skills. So once they are done finishing their assignments and activities in a planner, their brain can stop struggling to keep track of everything. This weekly planner can guide your children so they can easily set and achieve their goals throughout the year. Hope you like this idea. Please do like, share and subscribe to Planet, and also please do share your opinion about this video in the comment section. Bye bye. See you in the next video.